The Ferrari Roma was by all accounts perfect. It was a masterpiece of design, a rolling sculpture that defined elegance for a new generation. And now, just after a few short years, Ferrari has killed the coupe. So the big question is why? Why would Maranello replace a car that was so universally loved? The answer is this: the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi. And it's about to change everything you know about Ferrari and the Grand Tourers.
This is the new Ferrari Amalfi, a V8 2+ coupe to replace the Roma, and which Ferrari says offers an unprecedented balance of adrenaline and everyday usability. It also happens to look absolutely gorgeous, especially in this launch colour, Verde Costiera.
Let's be clear, the Roma wasn't just good, it was truly great. With its clean lines, its unique shark nose grille, and its minimalist aesthetic, it was a beautiful shift away from the brand's more aggressive supercars. It was a car that whispered heritage instead of shouting it. But the production of the coupe officially ended in 2024, leaving a void in the lineup, and a lot of fans wondering what could possibly follow this icon. Replacing a car like the Roma is an incredible challenge. You can't just slap a minor facelift on it and call it a day. Ferrari knew they needed a real evolution, a car that respected the past while sprinting headfirst into the future. The Amalfi might share the Roma's classic long hood front engine proportions, but don't be fooled. This isn't just a refresh, it's a complete rebirth. The front end has been totally transformed, which gives it a more sculpted look. The traditional grille is gone, replaced by a wide, open-mouth intake and razor-thin headlights set into the dark contrasting band. It gives the car a more modern, almost menacing appearance. The changes in the back are just as dramatic. The old taillights are gone, replaced with slim LED slits hidden inside the sharp graphical cuts in the bodywork. For aerodynamics, there's a new active rear spoiler. It stays hidden, a seamless part of the design, until it deploys into one of three positions: low drag, medium downforce, or high downforce, creating up to 110 kilograms of downforce to keep you planted at speed. This isn't just for show, it proves the Amalfi has much sharper, more aggressive edge than the car that it replaces. And guys, under that long, elegant hood, you'll find an evolution of the Roma's award-winning 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8. Ferrari's engineers went to work, and thanks to lighter camshafts, a new turbo calibration, and a redesigned exhaust, that engine now puts out 631 horsepower. That's a nice bump in power over the Roma, but the numbers don't tell the whole story. See, these changes make the car quicker, dropping the 0 to 60 miles per hour to about just 3.3 seconds. The 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox has been updated for even faster shifts, and the carbon ceramic brakes are larger. The entire braking system is now a new drive-by-wire setup, which was borrowed from the hardcore 296 GTB. This car isn't just fast in a straight line speed, it is engineered from the ground up to be a sharper, more engaging driver's car. But perhaps the biggest change, and the one that proves Ferrari is actually listening, is inside. The single most controversial feature of the Roma is gone. The frustrating, distracting touchpads on the steering wheel has been replaced with physical buttons. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a total mental shift back into focusing on the driver. And it was reportedly done in direct response to customer complaints. The whole cockpit has been redesigned around a dual-pod layout, featuring a 15.6-inch digital driver's display and a new 10.25-inch central screen. It's still a high-tech environment, but it's one that bring back the tactile feeling that was missing before. It proves that progress doesn't have to come at the expense of common sense. So, is the Roma really dead? Yes, but it had to die so the Amalfi could live. This car is the next chapter. It takes the beauty and grand touring comfort of the Roma and injects it with a huge dose of modern performance, technology, and most importantly, user-friendliness. It's more aggressive, more powerful, and more focused, all without sacrificing the elegance that made its predecessor a legend. Ferrari didn't just replace the Roma, they elevated its very soul. So, what do you think? Is the new Amalfi a worthy successor? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for